Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. I had to leave early today, but I could not end the day without doing at least one video for y'all. So this video is going to be a review of some of the problems in the grade 5 classwork. It's not the exact same problem, but it's the same type of problem. So this video will focus on subtracting decimals. I have a decimal here. 86 and 3/10 minus 34 and 7/10. Now again, it's not the exact same problem on the 5th grade classwork, but it's solved the exact same way. All right. So when subtracting decimals, you want to go about it the same way that you would if you were subtracting whole numbers. Only difference is wherever the decimal point is, you got to make sure you line it up. But as far as the subtraction goes, you start with the digit farthest to the right. You determine whether you need to regroup or not, and then you just go from there. So again, I would subtract as if I were subtracting whole numbers, and then at the end of the problem, line up the decimal and make sure you put the decimal point in the right place. So 86 and 3/10 minus 34 and 7/10. So I'm going to subtract from the tenths place first. 3 minus 7. Now you cannot take away 7 if you only have 3, so you do need to regroup. So the 6 is going to become a 5. The 3 is going to become a 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So now you got to look where the decimal point is. So for this problem, the decimal point is in between the second and third number, in between the second and third digit. So in 86 and 3/10, the decimal point is between the second and third digit. For the second number, it's also between the second and third digit. So in the answer, I'm going to put the decimal point in between the second and third digit. So my answer is 51 and 6/10, and this is how you would write 51 and 6/10 as a decimal. I'm going to do 2 more examples before I call it a day. All right, 77 and 5/10 minus 59 and 3/10. So we're going to go to the tenths place first, digit all the way to the right. Again, we're going to subtract it just as if we were subtracting whole numbers, and then we will line up the decimal point at the end. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. 7 minus 9, we cannot take away 9 if we only have 7, so we do need to take a 10. So the 7 is going to become a 6. This 7 is going to become a 17. You can draw 1 in front of the 7, or you could just cross it out, draw 17 above there, either way. So 17 minus 9 equals 8. And 6 minus 5 equals 1. Now, if we just left the answer like that, it will be wrong. 182 is not the answer because we need to put the decimal point in the right place. In the first number, the decimal point is in between the second and third digit. In the second number, the decimal point is also in between the second and third digit. So for our answer, we're going to put the decimal point in between the second and third digit. And we have 18 and 2/10. That's our answer. All right, one more problem, and I'm going to call it a day. All right, 99.4. Make this 9 so y'all can see it here. Minus 80.8 Really, the correct way to pronounce that is 99 4/10 minus 80 and 8/10. But you guys know what I mean. You guys and girls know what I mean. All right. So again, we're going to start with the digits all the way to the right. 4 minus 8, you can't do it. You can't take away 8 if you only have 4, so you do need to take a 10 from the ones place and move it to the tens place. So the 9 is going to become an 8. The 4 is going to become a 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. The decimal point for both of these numbers is between the second and third digit. So for the answer, we're going to put the decimal point in between the second and third digit. Our answer is 18 and 6/10. So that was a pretty quick video. Debating. I do like to end the videos with something fun. So I will, 45 seconds. Let me see how many juggles I can get with the soccer ball. Or the volleyball that I'm going to use, the soccer ball. Here we go. 30 seconds. Let's see. 1. Should at least get 2. 1. 1. 2. Find I get more when I switch feet. 1. 5 seconds. Let me at least get a solid 2. 1. 2. I barely got 2. Wasn't my day today. That's why I usually take 4 or 5 minutes to do it. But that is my video for today. It was short and sweet. But please leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Also, if there's another area of math that you're struggling with, write an example of a math problem that you're struggling with in the comments, and I will do a future video on it. Also, if there's something in reading comprehension you're struggling with, whether it be story elements, problem solution, compare, contrast, author's purpose, you can write what the comprehension skill is in the comments. I will do a future video on that as well. Have a great night, everybody, and I will see you all tomorrow.